These were the sounds that highlighted most of the parts of Kampala today as gunshots and tear gas rocked most of the city. The first places to experience the chaos were Kiseka Market, Nachivubo, Nabugabo areas. The protesters started a call for the release of detained Kyadondo East MP Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, who was picked up in Arua last week and reportedly tortured while in custody. The protesters burned tires and other materials which they dumped on the roads, blocking traffic. However, the police would have none of it. The police were soon joined by the army, who took charge of the situation. Traders were forced to close their shops and forced out of the buildings. Most walked out with their hands were raised up. By mid-afternoon, several people had been beaten, while others, including journalists, were finally arrested. In the end, 45 people are now in police custody. The riot action spread to other parts of the city, including Nasa and Nkrumah roads, where traders and printers were forced to shut up shop. Earlier on, police and the army had set up heavy security covering junctions coming to the city center, like in Karerwe and Waisi. In Chileka, at Sportsview Hotel, protesters started burning car tires, blocking the road with stones, but police responded quickly to curb the situation. There were reports that residents had been rioting in Mukono, Kayunga and Jinja, as well as Makerere University. Juma Kiria, NTV.